Data is np.random.normal loc = 0 scale 1 size 1000. Plotline.figure fig size = 95. Plotline.hist data bins 30 color #2861 alpha 0.8. Plotline.title normal distribution histogram. Plotline.y label frequency. Plotline.grid true line style = alpha 0.5. Plotline.figure fig size 1000. Plotline = 1. This produces a classic bell-shaped curve when visualized as a histogram. Visual features. The histogram uses 30 bins, dividing the data into 30 intervals. Each bar's height shows how many values fall within a given range, frequency. Bars are colored in blue, 2E861, with white edges for contrast, and have 80% opacity for better visibility. The plot has a title, normal distribution histogram, x-axis, value, the range of the data, y-axis, frequency, how often values occur. A dashed grid makes it easier to interpret the bar heights. Interpretation. The distribution is centered around 0, with frequencies tapering off symmetrically in both directions. A typical shape for standard normal data. Most values lie within the range -3 to +3, aligning with the empirical rule, 68, 95, 99.7%. Applications. Histograms like this are widely used in statistics and data analysis, probability theory, machine learning to check data distributions, quality control in manufacturing.